Welcome to this new YouTube channel on which you'll learn a lot about finance and investing. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of investing for beginners. This video will be a short one, as an introduction, so if you want to build a serious future in the world of finance, you should at least be able to concentrate yourself for the full video. And if you've ever wondered how to grow your wealth and secure a solid financial future, this video is for you. We'll cover the basics of investing, different investment options, and strategies for building a diversified portfolio. So, let's get started. Before we begin, let's clarify what investing means. Investing is the act of allocating your money to different assets or ventures with the expectation of generating a return or profit over time. It's a crucial step towards financial independence and achieving your long-term goals. When it comes to investing, it's important to understand the relationship between risk and return. Generally, higher returns are associated with higher risks. Some investments, like stocks, can provide substantial returns but also come with increased volatility. On the other hand, investments like bonds may offer more stability but typically yield lower returns. It's crucial to find the right balance based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Now, let's explore some of the most common investment options available. Stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company. Investing in stocks gives you a share of the company's profits and the potential for capital appreciation. Bonds. Bonds are debt securities where investors lend money to governments or corporations in exchange for periodic interest payments and the return of the principal amount at maturity. Mutual funds. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. They're managed by professional fund managers. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs are similar to mutual funds but are traded on stock exchanges like individual stocks. They offer diversification and flexibility. Real estate. Investing in real estate involves purchasing properties for rental income or capital appreciation. It can provide a steady cash flow and potential tax benefits. Now that we've covered the investment options, let's discuss the importance of building a diversified portfolio. Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and regions. This helps reduce risk by not putting all your eggs in one basket. A well-diversified portfolio can help protect you from the volatility of individual investments. To build a diversified portfolio, consider allocating your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Within each asset class, choose a mix of investments from various industries and regions. This way, if one investment underperforms, others may offset the losses. Now, let's explore a couple of investment strategies that can help beginners kickstart their investing journey. Dollar cost averaging. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount of money regularly, regardless of the market conditions. By investing consistently over time, you can potentially benefit from the long-term upward trend of the market while reducing the impact of short-term volatility. Buy and hold. This strategy involves buying investments with a long-term perspective and holding onto them for an extended period. It focuses on the belief that, over time, the market tends to rise, and quality investments will appreciate. And there you have it. Investing for beginners doesn't have to be overwhelming. By understanding the basics, exploring different investment options, building a diversified portfolio, and adopting sound investment strategies, you can set yourself up for a solid financial future. Remember, investing involves risk, and it's important to do thorough research and seek professional advice when needed. Start small, be patient, and stay disciplined. Over time, your investments have the potential to grow and help you achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more finance-related content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.